This workshop is a 2-day-long introductory to data science and machine learning. Attendees can learn the basic principles and algorithms, and by the end of the 2 day, they can build their first machine learning application.
Data science, I would say, is the nexus of statistics and engineering. And what's happened is data collection has increased vastly with the computing age, with the internet age. We have massive data sets, and accessing those involves a lot of engineering hurdles and technology hurdles. And so you need somebody with some exposure to technology and coding to extract the data and manipulate it at scale.
Data science is a mixture of software engineering, a good stat and math knowledge, and the product knowledge.
Data scientist is somebody who does some math and statistics and some engineering and data extraction and technology and puts those together.
The reason I decided to go to a workshop was because I think right now there's so much data being created and it's very important to understand it.
I'm an engineer. I have a startup and it's dealing with a lot of data. So my motivation for coming was in order to have a better understanding of how I could use this kind of information and technology to improve my own business.
In this boot camp, Adam and Istvan showed everybody the basic Python code to execute thing. They explained some of the methodology and the intent behind a basic regression algorithm, clustering algorithms, and classification algorithms, in addition to some basic data exploration and statistics. And it's kind of a primer to just give people a flavor for what the field is and what these different methods are and why people are using them.
Over the last 2 days, we had a very good overview, taking us right from the basics through how to use Python, how to use all the different libraries, and we are going to go away with a lot of tools.
During the workshop there was a very diverse crowd from all over the place and from all different professions. And I think the workshop is pretty much useful for everyone who's interested in data science.
Pretty much there's data in everything nowadays, so I think it can pretty much help anybody in business.
We have, again, like the business leaders who never programmed before, and now they are, fiddling with data sets and making nice plots and gaining insight into something that they never done before.
I would say anybody technically can become a data scientist. I think the only universal attribute that I see in people in the field is a certain curiosity and stubbornness when approaching data problems, meaning that you have to be really curious about why am I seeing this trend in the data, and be willing to track down problems in long string of code or different data processing to understand what happened to your data. And there's kind of a sweet spot that I found of people coming from a general academic background, maybe in chemistry or mechanical engineering, in which you have a solid foundation in hypothesis testing, problems, setting up a system, and you have a little bit of exposure to code, and both of those can be cultivated with a little bit training into the data science profession.
Mosaik Academy is a learning platform that offers workshops, courses in various formats, topics, and lengths. Our future courses will include UX design, product management, iOS development, and many more. If you want to level up your career in tech, check out our courses at mosaik.space/learn.